two books written by two different people from two different countries, speaking two different languages, even written in two different languages. One written in Romanian originally by the Romanian scholar, philosopher called Mircea Eliade. The book was called Maitreyi, later translated into English as Bengal Nights. And this is the second book written by Maitreyi Devi and written originally in Bengali. This even won the Sahitya Academy Award. I got these two books from this lovely, beautiful bookshop, online bookshop called Good Old Books, and they have got a lot of first editions. They have a lot of pre-owned books from the past. Very interesting books from the past. So, if you need to know more about this, if you need to know whether you can get more copies of this, you have to approach them. So, what is it that binds them together? For that, I'll have to take you to Bengal in the 1930s, when a young Romanian philosopher decided to come to India to learn from a mentor. He comes to Calcutta to Professor Dasgupta's household. Now, Professor Dasgupta was very liberal for his age. Remember, this is the 1930s, when young women and young men are not at all encouraged to even talk to each other. So, Professor Dasgupta has a daughter, Maitreyi, who was 16 years old at that time. And a friendship blossomed between Mircea and Maitreyi. But slowly, Professor Dasgupta and his wife realized that there is a romance that might blossom between them, and so they politely ask Mircea Eliade to leave. And then Maitreyi gets married. After 4-5 years, she gets married to another Bengali. She has two beautiful daughters. She goes on to become a writer, writing poetry and prose. And Mircea goes back to Romania and he writes a novel called Maitreyi, which becomes a bestseller. And it talks about what happened between him and Maitreyi. And his version of what happened is slightly different from what actually happened. He even alludes to a physical relationship between the two people. Maitreyi remains unaware of all that is being written in her name, and this novel is then translated to French, to Spanish, to other European languages. And later, much later, when Maitreyi is in her 40s, she gets to know that there is a novel like this circulating, which is her name on it. And once a European friend drops in and she asks him to translate it into English, and she is shocked when she comes to know of what has been written in her name. So she talks to a couple of her friends about it. And they all console her, saying that this is something which is written in another part of the world, in another language. Nobody will know it's you, just leave it. But what Maitreyi says is that much after she is gone, all that she has done, her happy marriage, her lovely children, the prose, the poetry that she writes, everything will be forgotten. But all that will remain is this novel in her name. And she keeps thinking about it, and she's so conflicted in her thoughts about it. And later, many years later, she decides to confront Mircea. She gets to know that he is working for the University of Chicago, and she writes to him, but he does not reply. So she gets herself invited for a conference, and she goes there, and she goes and meets him. And they have a conversation, and she comes back to India, and Maitreyi Devi writes this novel. She writes her version of what really happened. This is an account of a young woman's life as it truly happened in Bengal in the 1930s, of her love for Mircea. She is unashamed about it. She's unapologetic about it. And she acknowledges that she fell in love with this young European who had come to her house. And she talks about it. She talks about the conversations they have. It's intriguing to read this book, The Mind of a Woman During Those Times. And she's like very open about it. She's very open about her emotions and how much she had actually fallen in love with this person, but it was nothing more than that. So, It Does Not Die is Maitreyi Devi's version of the event of what really happened. So, Bengal Nights is actually the English translation of Maitreyi. And later it was made into a movie starring Hugh Grant and Supriya Pathak. It Does Not Die is the English translation of the original written in Bengali by Maitreyi Devi. And this is the book that you should be reading. And my suggestion is, do not read this. This is a very, very privileged white European's view of what happens. right? European man's view of what happens when he comes to India. And this is a woman's point of view, a woman who is very open and who has made herself vulnerable to her readers by, stating things as they were. And I'm really happy to bring this to you and tell you about these two books, especially about this book. So, you guys, please go and read. And till we meet again for the next video, stay safe, take care, keep reading. Bye bye.